everyone, today's video is about me playing Roblox Slap Tower, but it's a different one. So now I was playing Roblox Slap Tower and this guy almost tricked me, but good thing I was still there. I'm not crossing on. I don't like bad guys who just in the end and just when someone jump on the last one, they trolled you know that thing. I hate that. Actually, you cannot. I just got banned from Roblox for saying float. Like, bro, who reported me? It's only one day though. I was banned for one day. I hate Roblox now. I only love replay. I'm playing that. But yeah, you know what to do. I was banned for one day, but that's okay. I have one more phone. It's this one. Xiaomi. The fast yun guys, mahirap kasi mag-English. Kung na puro English. Sinasabi ako ni Papa, puro English. And anyways, so, nga pala, may isa pang cellphone din ni Papa kasi nasira yung shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot talaga. And anyways, it's a long experience kasi nandun pa ako nandito. Tapos yung isang girl na bacon ay yung parang legs ay mataba, tapos yung yung body niya yung nandito, yung torso ay mapayat, yung alam niyo yung mga ayun, kanina pa yung nag-cheat, but di siya na-banned. Yung sabi yung float, yung parang ganito, circles na dalawa, at nilagay mo float. Like, bro, nagat-bond ako. Ano ba yan? Pero one day pa lang yun. Kakainis. Sino ba kasi nag-report sa akin? Di naman ako nabubuli, no? Sinasabi ko lang yung troller ay mag-stop na mag-troll ng ibang players. It's not even bullying. Ha, Roblox? If you see this, I won't forgive you. I'm deleting my Roblox right now on even my phone. Kasi yung pangalan kasi guys, pag marunong kayo mag-hack, i-hack nyo nga daw yung akin, pag marunong kayong hack, noob lang ako. Kylie_123 yung akin. Na-banned ako. Like, bro, kampasin ko yun. Mayroon pa akong isang Roblox dun sa cellphone ko, sa Xiaomi, yung pinakita ko sa inyo kanina. Ayun, nandun yung Roblox account ko, katulad ng dito sa cellphone. Nakanis talaga yung Roblox, no? Di talaga mapaintindi. Talaga. Anyways, baka kalala niyo ako sa isang video na sa Radyo El Magista si Mauring. 3K subscribers, nasira yung cellphone. So, hindi ako makakagawa ng videos. Pero sa cellphone nito at iyon ay may channel na. 2, ay 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 10 yung channels ko, guys. Support me, please. Support me. I hate this right now. Sorry, guys. I've been banned for one day and I don't even care about that. How can I play Roblox? If I got banned again, yeah, I'm quitting Roblox. Guys, if I get banned again, I didn't even bully people. I just tell the guy to stop trolling people and they call me a bullying. And I just say float. Why does it matter? What's wrong with float? What the hell was... But yung isang girl nagsabi ng float, tas di siya na-banned. Kakainis talaga, no?